Nigobono ekyombekemo getari gya serikali ase elieta it is well CBO ase litkolya rero banyarakoba bagokora etaro yabo ya bene guchase skuru ya Nyakome Friend Special School yegotoka imeye sub county yegosime ya Amarani sub county heliokoena na obokonyi gati yabo endagira amona maigelio igore chinchera abana abo baranyareko bagwetanga amono kunengiwa amona boigo oko wamerirwa naboigo chisegi chiria chibwatanete anene negenga bagokora kurwa sensemeyo nigo babwatani abo banyareko babako basemya abamenye kurwa se county ya Kisii ngabotambe banyareko babako basira abana bunabo anene gati yabo emetino amona amamama kero kende bali batabwa ati obubwibo gokwana rindana barabanyareko bawikera chindoto cyabo cya amaganyo gati yabo okoendera amone chisemi cyabo muri cyo ito dipo na sanya nanyarako bagawikira na seskuru yina gusanga mona interobotire kubati
ebyombe aho bidali bya serikali nigo bigendete kona nobokonyi kinga kyombe kya it is well CBO gyakoletaro ya bene na gwikira abana banyakome Friends Special School abwe bayiboire no Walemavu gotaigwa na ogokwana
Marita Nkuruku Felicitas Orenge kokorega sinekyombe kuruku it is well community based organization egokorega siga Gusii twachire rero se skuru ya Nyakome irindego kwana nabana be skuru ye iguru una baranyare konyora obo maene bwabo kero omuntu abeirega kuba chegi in such cases like defilement on the way how they can access justice in the courts, because we realized most of these children, they are so vulnerable. They don't have the information. When people go against their rights, they don't know where to report and the procedure to report so that they can get justice. So that's why we're here today to educate these our young brothers and sisters on the best way to access justice.
Gusangane gitaseni kya Ndizi TV bagateneneri bekyombekyo nigo batebanga nigo bari nekirenga kyo gusira abana bari bakuru achinka kitari kwenyara nabo igo kwena na amaigelio yo kumanya obwene bwabo batari kounererigwa.
Under this program we visit schools with persons with disability. That's our major program we're doing under this program, which is funded by International Solidarity Foundation. As an organization, we do legal representation in the court for GBV survivors. That's our other thematic area. We also do mentorship and we do also sexual reproductive health.
Gokwana ndo mwalimu munene bwe skuru ye Cosmas Nyarenchi nigatebirenga abibulia bange nigo batalikona na libagaligi ya guchia sabana babo ili banyare konyora amasomo.
Our learners in our school come from very vulnerable backgrounds, and many of them in most cases are neglected by their parents. In fact, even as we open school, we find that quite a number of learners, after being brought to school, the parents have never made a follow-up. Even payment of school fees is a challenge. And we're even following up on a few cases where a parent promises to pay fees, but after they have left school, they switch off their phones.
Komenta nayo ni gobona boliri abaiboli koira abana baiga baiboire no Walemavu na abana bande nabaigo ko bali bagaligia asebinyoro ili banyare ko baba kwegendereria asama tukali bosio.
Learners, just like any other child in Kenya, are entitled to education and inclusivity or inclusion in all aspects of the community. Because what we learn here is what is learned elsewhere for learners who have no such disability. So we encourage the parents and other communities to also accept these learners as they are, and once they are back into their homes and communities, let them be seen as people who are just like any other. That the community accepts these people, and above all, because of the challenge of communication, we encourage that all members in the community should try at least to learn the sign language so that they can be able to communicate. Because in most cases, the communication barrier is what makes people think that these learners are maybe a problem in society.
Kuripoti Ndizi TV kurwa Nyakome Friends Special School yotoka imeye wadi ya Marani ebunge ya kitutu cha chenoti litana ne nkuru kwa dipon asanya.